Take a ride in the 2022 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.